right, I am going to be making what's called like the thieves or the on guard type of essential oil soap. I'm going to call this the Germ Fighter, I guess. It's made with oils of clove, lemon, cinnamon, rosemary, and what else did I forget there? Rosemary, clove, lemon, and cinnamon. Yeah, I think that's it. Alright, so I've got my lye water going there. Oils, I'm going to grab my mold. I did have red and white colors ready for this, but I think I'm going to skip it because of the cinnamon and clove and lemon. Those are really fast moving oils, and I'm afraid it's going to like seize up and be a nightmare. So I think I'm just going to leave this as it should. I do think I'm going to add some poppy seeds in here just for exfoliation, because I think that would be wonderful. If I remember, watch, I'll make it and I'll forget. Anyways, so yeah, okay, I'm going to grab some super fat here, get that on the stove. Got that to toss in. Grab my safety goggles and my glasses, which are the same thing. I mean, my gloves. I feel a little disorganized here. I'm trying to answer the phone, book appointments, get my oils to temp, all that jazz. It's the way it goes when you run a couple businesses. All right, do I have my stuff together? Oils are ready, lye's ready, stick blenders ready. Get to this here. So this will be the first time that I've done like a Germ Buster or a Germ Fighter. I'm not really sure what I'm going to call it yet. So we'll see how it goes, but I'm definitely getting into sickness season because my son already this morning's like, I think I have a fever. He didn't, but I've been hearing from parents that there's a lot of sick kids out. So I did put that essential oil blend on his neck with a carrier oil this morning and a little bit on his hands and sent him off. So hopefully that'll fight the germs off of him for the day. Sorry, I have like a hair that's poking my face there. Okay, you're about there. I'm going to add in our super fat. But yeah, I think once I add these oils, it's going to be like zippity-doo-dah. It's going to be ready to rock and roll like right now. If it doesn't, I will be completely surprised. Super light trace. Ooh, see, Monica? Almost forgot to add poppy in there. Yep. I love this. Somebody gave me these little shakers. And it's great for putting it on top of the soap. Just a couple more shakes here. Alright. For sprinkling like black sea salt and all that jazz in the soap. I'm just going to give it a quick incorporation here. So yeah, the poppies are extra nice for scrub-a-dub-dub. Alright. Wish me luck here, people. Gotta just quickly cruise on this. Hang on there, soap. Be good. I'm afraid to give this burst, but I wanted to incorporate. As soon as it realizes, oh my gosh, there's cinnamon in here. It's probably going to seize. We're getting close to it. Wow. Okay, I'm impressed. I will say, I am impressed so far. Okay, I can feel it's coming. So, I'm going to push it to the line here and probably regret it, right? wouldn't do too bad actually for the thickness. Alright, where's my spatula here? I got this batter bowl free for some reason, and I can't remember what it was for. I want to say it was like a breast cancer type thing that I bought something and then I got this batter bowl for free, but it's been my favorite soaping batter bowl. What to do? I mean, I can make my little fluffy top and all that jazz, but should I add something to the top of it? I don't know. I'm gonna have to stew on that. I'm gonna do my dishes here, let this firm up just a little bit, and stew on it. So, come right back and we'll figure out what I'm doing here.